This is one of the elevators here at the Embassy Suites by Marriott in Palm Desert, California.
Between Palm Desert and Indian Wells, to be exact.
Yep.
On Hospitality Row.
Oh, it's right here.
Of course, I'm not.
There's one elevator over there.
Because
yeah.
of
Storage problems.
Storage space lacking. Pretty cool. Let's go to 3.
The stupid fans. Let's take a look out the window.
At least it's blocking out some of the music so we don't get copyright. Some people out there.
We're at 3.
Yep, here we are at 3. I'll get more fire alarm pictures while I'm here.
Cool. Step out. This is probably a mod.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, this is how I can tell the...
Go back down to 1.
This is how I can tell. You see that plate right there?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it's probably
modded.
It's modded. By
Obviously
Albert
looks
Williams with
modded.
ERM.
Scenic elevators are pretty cool. These are the only ones close by. This light is barely lit. Outside. So very
Now we're in another elevator here.
Right, you want to push buttons?
Embassy Suites. This probably used to be an Otis Lexan or Otis Black buttons because of this plate right here. It could be a vertical indicator.
Oh, and the elevator's here.
And the elevator's here. Probably see that off the side.
Alright, let's go in. Hit 3. Different pitch chime. I wonder why they have music playing in here, maybe for...
Yeah.
Maybe so the elevator is not too boring. It almost kind of reminds me of the motor at Westfield Mall.
Yeah. It's
almost. They got like ERM pictures. Let's get a view.
It's sort of a lower tone though.
When we leave, I need to get a picture of one of those L series.
Yeah. I wonder if this is gonna nudge on us, if it's gonna leave open like this. Let's get back inside. Oh shit,
it's almost about to close.
It may nudge. I guess not.
Alright, you're gonna... Oh, here we go. They got a pool here too. Clearly there's some good hotels around here.
There are.
So if you're watching this, anyone who's down in the Coachella Valley watching this, come on down.
Yeah, sure. Come on down here and film these elevators here. Let's get a view of the door closing and we'll end the video there. Unless it's going to stay open all day. Come on, close. There we go. We have yet another elevator here in the Embassy Suites.
There's one over there.
There's one over there.
And there's one directly across from there. There's a lot of elevators.
And it's here.
Alright. 3.
Let's get a silent ride.
Alright.
We're at 3.
Yep. It's a nice little view.
Yep. View of the other elevator.
Yep. There's a lot of elevators out.
Oh, this is a KONE. Look at that. It says KONE on there.
Yeah, it's got a KONE sensor. More Westfield Mall reminiscing.
Yeah.
KONE sensor, ERM fixtures.
They use a different ERM fixture here. They use a Vandal-Resistant here in Embassy Suites.
These are vandal resistant?
Yeah,
Alright,
maybe.
that's what Cobalt Plaza East has.
Oh, they do.
Alright, let's go get another elevator, shall we?
Sure. There's another elevator over here that we're gonna ride.
Alright.
Let's go up.
I can hear it coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
It sounds like the motor room's over there.
Yeah, it's like over there.
Interesting.
The button doesn't light up for some reason.
Alright.
3.
This one didn't do the chime.
on.
Yeah,
this one didn't have a chime.
Alright, up we go. This one feels a lot smoother.
It does, actually. Look at those. Look at that. Look at those lights. Only one of these lights is on.
Yeah, I can see. Alright. Shall we get another view?
Let's do so.
There's the other elevator.
Yeah, look at that. It's another KONE door sensor.
I wonder if all of these have that.
Yeah, maybe they're the same
nice.
thing. These elevators are probably KONE
Yeah.
with ERM.
Alright, down we go.
Down we go. Let's take a cab.
Alright.
I'm getting a lot
These
slower
such good
these
elevators.
times. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Go around and we'll go get that elevator.
Yep. Let's get that door closed real quick.
Here we are. Let's do this.
You just heard the motor of this elevator over here. This is at Embassy Suites.
Get a little of this.
Oh, look at that. It must be an in-ground hydraulic system. Let's see the elevator going down.
Piston.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
it is.
He's got a little like thingy down
There
there.
he goes. Oh, those people are gonna take that elevator.
Oh, there's people in there?
There's gonna be people waiting for the elevator.
Yeah. I don't know if there's anyone in it because it just randomly left. I didn't see like a door closing or anything.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Right.
Right. Yep.
Thanks.
All right. All right.
We're at 3.
Get
Let's go get a view.
go get another view. There's one of the elevators we previously rode, and there's the pool.
Yeah. Maybe.
No, we gotta keep the door open before it leaves.
It's interesting that this elevator always
This one has
leaves
like a.
open, so
This one has like a. What do you call it? Like a
I don't know.
sunshade thing,
Yeah.
whatever it's called. It's pretty cool.
Well, these elevators look the same.
They all look the same, but there's like, how many did we ride in right now?
I don't
This
know.
one says number 3.
This is number 3. Our next one's probably going to be number 2 if it's going to be inside the lobby.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't even count how many elevators.
I wanna get an outside pic of that motor.
Alright. Come over here.
All right, we'll go over here.
We'll get to see it go.
We'll be able to see it go. Kinda get the motor real quick. All right, here it goes.
Pretty cool. I think there's.
Oh, it's actually really awesome.
Yeah. I think there's one
Sort of
more.
an epic motor outside the elevator, but inside is.
I think there's one more, and it's in the lobby.
Sure.
Right?
This is one last ride at the Embassy
So
Suites.
this one has like a different
Plate?
plating for the
Yeah.
floor.
Let me see the other one.
Oh, you better hurry. It's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already here.
Oh, it's here.
Alright.
Let's go up to 3.
Yep. Yep, this one's number 2. Yep, the 2 over here we got.
Let's be quiet. I don't want to get a motor.
I don't hear it that much because of the music.
Yeah, because the music that's on. Yeah. All of these are sort of between F and F sharp.
Yep. I think there's like 7 in here.
7. Might be 6 or 7. Let's
6
take
or
one
7.
last cab view. All of the elevators like really.
There's the other one.
All the elevators look really identical.
Yep.
Maybe almost identical.
Yeah, there's the other one over there.
Yeah.
Alright. That appears to be it in the Embassy Suites. Up next, Next Question Plus.
That's it.